welcome back to my channel. And I'm getting in the Christmassy mood, so I asked my friends if they wanted me to make slime for them. So I'm making 4 batches of slime, 3 for my friends and 1 batch for myself. So these are the ingredients you need. You're gonna need bowls, glue, some food dye. There's 8 colors in here. I think the best solution is Renew eye contact solution. You can get it at any local store, but I got this one from Rite Aid. Some baking soda and shaving cream and something to mix this, obviously. Okay, the first thing you need to do is get the glue and pour some in. I'm gonna do about that much. Next, I'm gonna add some green food coloring. That much. Okay, when it's all done, you want to add your shaving cream. And it depends how much glue you put in. So I'm going to put on quite a lot. Okay. Then mix that in. Okay, now once that's done, see, that's how it looks like. You want to start with the Renew and then pour some in. Starts to form right away. Ugh, that's hard to mix. Okay, and then you want to add like a little bit of baking soda, like about that much, because baking soda does a lot when it's just a little bit. See, it's getting a lot thicker. Okay, now add a little bit more of the Renew stuff and a little bit more baking soda. That should be good enough. And now, when you mix it, it should be starting to come together like this. It's gonna be sticky at first, but then once you start kneading it a lot more, it starts coming together and not sticky. Okay, so I need to add a little bit more of the eye contact solution because it was a little sticky. And you can see it's not getting that much sticky since I added the contact solution. More? Yep, a little bit more. Mom, thank you. This is the final product. It's nice and stretchy, and if this is like basically the only way that it can work if you get Renewed. Sometimes it's on sale. We got 2 for 1, and then as you can see, it's really pokey and has a nice one like that. And you can even do some swirls. Okay guys, have fun making your own, and if you make it correctly, you can get this wonderful soft slime. Okay.